Hi, I'm Ann.
And I'm Dean.
We are here up on Timber Mountain. Please subscribe to our channel.
Like and share. It will help us on our adventure.
Thank you.
Here you see the excavator coming up to a large pine tree, which we will be using on our Timber Mountain build. And the reason we're pulling it down with the excavator is two reasons. One, if it falls below the cliffs, it breaks trees, which we want to keep. And the second one is it removes the roots at the same time, so we clear the area.